This is a big story today. Microsoft has issued a warning about a potential attack that's going on. There's somebody out there, there's another source out there that is hacking into computers remotely and injecting a virus into your computer. Microsoft has issued a warning. This is obviously a big deal today. That's why we brought in our digital investigator, Charles Tyndall. Thank you for coming again today. And explain a little bit about what this means to just the average user on the computer.
Well, it's only impacting Windows XP users right now.
Okay.
It's designed to take advantage of a code flaw in Internet Explorer. So if you're a Windows XP user and you're using Internet Explorer, your best bet is to switch away from it or to disable ActiveX in it.
So how do you know you're being attacked? How do you know this is happening to your computer?
You won't, not until it's too late. And then once you get in there, and it's too late, you know,
then it's too late. Okay, so let's talk about being proactive. How can you protect yourself?
Well, disabling your ActiveX controls is actually pretty simple.
And that's what we're doing here right now.
You go to Tools, Internet Options, and in the Security tab, there's going to be a Custom Settings button there. You click the Custom Settings button, and actually scroll down through to where it says ActiveX.
Okay.
Just about everything in there you can stand to disable. All it really does is it allows your browser to have easier interaction with the websites that it's browsing.
And that's what ActiveX does.
Right, and that's what's being exploited right now. Is the interaction between your browser and these particular websites that's causing problems.
Now, Microsoft has actually come out to the public to say switch over to Firefox, which is a different browser, a completely different company, different browser, to protect yourself, to make sure that you're not going to get attacked by this virus. So that's a big deal for Microsoft to tell you to go somewhere else to explore the internet.
Well, yeah, it's a big step for Microsoft, but they're finally doing what's